Cameron Park Airport. Automated weather observation. 1947 Zulu. Wind variable at 05. Visibility 7. Sky condition clear. Temperature 20. Dew point -00. Altimeter 3022. Remarks. Density altitude 1780.
Approaching aircraft, use left traffic. Do not confuse parallel streets with the runway and do not land short of the displaced threshold. Departing aircraft may use the entire paved surface for the takeoff roll and fly straight out 2,000 feet MSL before making any departure turns.
Cameron Park traffic, Archer 5525 Victor is taking runway 31 Cameron Park. 2 notches of flap, 41 to 49, rotate, climb at 64, minute rotate. Next ridge, trim set for takeoff.